This is a difficult one, man. Whoa!
So this obstacle, it's very, you have to be very precise on your steering input. There are very tight turns, right? So we'll go straight, we'll come down and we'll go descend into that gully. So that in that gully, this is a step slope. What I told you in briefing, the three types of slopes are there. The long slopes with no clutch, no acceleration while you're going down, while going up, accelerate on and off, and there are step slopes. So step slopes, mein the technique is totally different. Okay, come there, I tell you. Now full left. Start skating right, then lose the traction. Okay. The full right. Right, yes. Now if I ask you to left and right, so steering angle will correct first. Okay. So movement is a later thing. First will correct the steering angle. Okay. Okay. Slight left. Left, more left, more left. That's it. Come forward. Come forward. Slow. Very slow. This will be slow. Okay. Full left. More left, more left. More left. Okay, clutch in, brakes in. Okay, brakes on and off. Clutch pull in, brakes on and off. Perfect. Like my side, right side. There, right. That's slow. Slow. Not that. Very slow. Go forward. Go. Stop. Here left. Go left. There may you use it. Right left. More. Go forward. Go. Slow. Okay. Right left. More left. Yeah, that's very slow. Go. Okay. Your front axle is clear now. Okay. Yeah. Go. Slow. Very slow. Left. Okay, you're clear.
Perfect.
So guys, अभी तक हम लोग ने किए 3 ऑब्स्टेकल्स कंप्लीट और अभी हम जा रहे हैं अपने 4th ऑब्स्टेकल की तरफ और अब है हमारे पास एकदम ही क्लासिक थार. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ थार प्रॉब्ली. मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको.
एडिशन थार. इसमें आर्माडा का स्टीयरिंग है
और बीच में सिर्फ ये क्लस्टर है. पीछे कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन क्लस्टर नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ डैशबोर्ड हियर. एसी भी रेट्रोफिटेड है. बट बॉस, दिस इज ऑसम, क्लासिक. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, यू कैन ओपन द विंडशील्ड एंड ड्राइव. बेटर देन अ सनरूफ ऑफ कोर्स. सो अभी हम देख रहे हैं fourth and the last obstacle, that is called as railway crossing. काफ़ी अच्छा और लंबा and very well planned obstacle है ये. So ये मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी आपको. मेरे पीछे से उसकी एंट्री है right here. So यहाँ से आएंगे, फिर ये सारे रट्स क्रॉस करेंगे, उसके बाद वहाँ से नीचे जाना है, and then proper एक राउंड मार के we will come back from the same route. So stay tuned for that.
कैसे
Okay. So railway crossing, this is a difficult one, man.
Straight left, go left. Straight right, get into the right. Perfect. Keep going. Start turning right. Straighten up left. Perfect. Keep going straight. Take the center way to go down. Take a right turn and climb back again.
Okay. Center way down, so probably in the right also. Wow! Awesome!
Okay, keep coming straight. Now accelerate on and off while you are driving through these ruts, okay?
Okay.
Accelerate on and off. Accelerate. Perfect. Keep going. Go now. Take a left turn and climb up.
Okay. Woohoo!
Left.
Okay.
Okay, you are done.
Thank you. Awesome, man. Guys, this was awesome and this is a must try. I mean, ऐसा एडवेंचर करने को आपको नहीं मिलेगा कहीं पर भी. इगतपुरी में जो मुंबई से सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 घंटे की दूरी पर है, ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे की दूरी पर है, बट ऑल दैट ट्रैवल इज वर्थ इट. एंड ये डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए अगर आप एक ऑटोमोटिव एंथुजियास्ट एंड एसयूवी एंथुजियास्ट हो. ऑलराइट, Stay tuned.
Sir, Excel.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So guys, it brings end of this course. Select your t-shirts.
ये kids वाला है
ये क्या साइज है?
Mr. Rahul and his support team, because it requires a lot of effort to organize such type of event. Okay, the guys working behind the picture.
Correct.
Come on. Easy.
All right. So a group picture.